let's go on to the second aspect of this workshop. A very important procedure. Unfortunately, what I have seen is that it is an aspect which is least practiced. It is an aspect which is creating most nuisance in the world. It is an aspect which is needed by each and everyone, even by the person who is not listener. Okay, it is a process that is creating huge problems. So, I request you all to empty your minds. First of all, don't have any notions about listening. First of all, the very first thing which comes is listening वर काय ऐकायचं. कान तर लागतात, उघडेच राहतात, बंद करता येत नाही. ऐकावंच लागतंय. Not like that. I will take you into a journey where let you decide which type of a listener you are. It's talking. So don't talk, listen. So silent and listen, you see, they are spelled in the same words. जो letters use किए गए हैं same है. Listen में वही words है जो silent में है. So they are almost one and the same. So for listening you have to become silent. Nature has provided you 2 ears and 1 mouth, means you have to listen to double to what you speak. At present doesn't apply to me because I am teaching you how to listen. Okay. So we have 2 ears, we have 1 mouth. Message is very clear. जितना बोलेंगे उसका डबल सुनो, अच्छी बातें सुनो. Be a good listener. This is one thing. Now let me give you data. This is a very important and excellent data which has been compiled over the years by Social Science Department, a research of the world. We are expert in writing, reading, speaking and listening, 4 skills. Now you tell me how many years you spent learning this, how many academic years you got training. Writing you got 12 years of training. 6th, 7th you kept on writing mistakes, teacher used to correct you and you just made perfect. They made you perfect in writing. 12 years in high school, till high school. After that, we believe you know how to write. Reading 6 to 8 years, primary, you taught how to read Marathi, Hindi, English. You spent 6 to 8 years learning the process of reading. Speaking, 1 to 2 years. Your parents taught you how to speak. Aso bol, no bol, tosa bol, etc. Now listening. You are very lucky. I am very lucky. I am teaching you listening for more than what has been done here. एक कुळकुळा घेतला, कानाखाली वाजवलं, कान चांगले. That was the only training which you got. Nobody taught you how to listen. आज अगर दुनिया का कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई किसी की सुनता नहीं. Nobody listens. आप भी खुद को होशियार अगर मुझे मानना है तो मैं आपका नहीं सुनूंगा. ऐसा नहीं है ऐसा. अरे सुनो पहले, हाँ बोल के सुनो. एक हमारे परभनी में डायलॉग, अरे तू हाँ बोल के सुनता है, ऐसा बोलना पड़ता है. So वो जो हाँ बोल के सुनना मैं आपको आज सिखा रहा हूँ. I am going to teach you how to learn that. You have no training. Now come to the actual usage. हम जब कोई चीज लेते हैं, सीखते हैं, खरीदते हैं, तो उसका यूज करना चाहते हैं. आपने 12 साल कोई चीज में स्पेंड किया है. How many times you use it in your life? Life 60 years life expectancy, 60-65 years. You use only 9%. You are not writing all the day. Think your father and grandfather. Did they die writing? They died listening, but everybody dies listening. Even in the last death point, we listen to something. Reading, spent 6 to 8 years. How many percent do you use in your life? An author, this data is for authors who write. With the invent of technology, with modernization, type machines, we have lost that art also. We are not reading. We are just browsing. We are just doing some short forms on the mobiles. You use authors and voracious readers, they use it only for 16%, something which has been spent 6 to 8 years. Speaking, आई बाबांना चांगलं बोलायला शिकवलं आपलं. कमी ट्रेनिंग आहे एकदम. एखादा फटका खाल्ला असाल तुम्ही, असं बोलू नको. That was the only training which you got. But you see me, I have been speaking for the last 1.5 hours. Speaking, we do it, we like to do it. We speak. We like to speak without thinking, without something, we speak. More. Higher is the training, lesser is the usage. No training, highest is the usage. listening, listening. As long as you are sleeping, you are not listening, but 5% of the time you are sleeping, you are again listening. Because dreams, it comes when some music is going on, you dream like that. That is listening. So today I will make you aware of a process called as listening. See the memory facts. I said 6,000 thoughts per day per person. That diverts you away from listening. If you want to focus, concentrate on the speaker, see the clarity of his voice. Some hurdles may be there. I will tell you, people forget 40% of what they have learned in 20 minutes. A 50-minute lecture will be forgotten 40% in 20 minutes. एक लेक्चर हो गए, चाय पी के आ गए, आधा भूल गया क्या हुआ है. आपका ब्रेन इस तरह से बना हुआ है. मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आप उसको ट्रेन कर सकते हैं by listening. By listening, you can become more. This percentage can increase. This is not a static data. It is a dynamic data. You can change it. People forget 50 to 80% of what they have learned in one day. अगले दिन 80% भूल जाएंगे. सुन के सर ने, श्री राम सर ने क्या पढ़ा, भूल जाएंगे अगले दिन. ठीक है. 77% of is forgotten in a week. एक हफ्ते बाद आपको सिर्फ कुछ तो याद रहेगा. हाँ, काहीतरी झालं ते मॅनेजमेंट वर झालं एक लेक्चर, एवढंच लक्षात राहील. अँड आफ्टर 1 month जेव्हा परीक्षा जवळ येतात, जसं सरांनी सांगितलं मिस्टर ब्लँक 97 to 98% of the lecture is forgotten. So same thing happened with this lecture of mine. Listening का लेक्चर 1 महीने बाद आप बोलेंगे एक लेक्चर ऐकला होता लिसनिंग वर. जर तुम्ही हे पुढचे टेक्निक्स वापरले नाही तर. Now if you use the techniques which I am going to tell you, you will not forget this lecture for your rest of your life. And you can take out, as I said, use the best substitute for your brain is a pen and paper. Do you know that an average person speaks at the rate of 150 words per minute? I am speaking more than 300. I have practiced that. Right now, I am recording my own lecture. Here I have a microphone. I am recording it. I do such experiments. I see what I am doing. Okay, my microphone is there. My whole record, I am recording it here. Because I want to see the number of words which I speak. I always see this phase which I am doing, it goes around 380. And I saw that it is normal. Are you understanding my lecture? Is there anything, there is no clarity or something? Am I audible to the last person? Am I audible to Khade sir? Right sir. So you see, you can understand at the speed of 380 words per minute. Fine. I do this. Now good listeners can understand the messages which are presented at a rate of 380 per minute. Now what happens? There is a lag phase. Average person speaks 150, your brain can understand 380, and there is a lag phase. That is the lag phase where you just drop the focus. You have to train your brain to understand, to grasp. Even an average person, not always a speedy person like me, or not average person who speaks much more faster than me, you have to learn to focus your attention on the message. How to do that? Doing that, you have some beliefs. I am going to break these 3 myths. 3 false statements are presented on the board. First is, I am going to break this today, and I want you to break it in your brains. Listening and hearing are the same thing. We believe. काय कान तर लागते. लिसनिंग काय आणि हिअरिंग काय हे सारखंच आहे. आपण याला डोळे बंद केल्यासारखे कान बंद करतात येत नाही. जे पडतंय ते लिसनिंग आणि तेच हिअरिंग आहे. 1 myth, फर्स्ट myth. सेकंड, जसं मी सांगितलं काय लागते त्याला, इझी, इट्स व्हेरी इझी, लिसन, पडतंय. सेकंड myth, that is. थर्ड, स्पीकर इज प्रायमरीली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मेसेज सेंट. म्हणजे तुम्हीच काही बोलायले, काय सर काही बोर करतात सर, तीही बोर करणारा प्राध्यापक. सो I will tell you one thing, I will seize this opportunity. There is nothing called as bore in the English word. Bore means to drill a hole in the wall, that is boring. It's a state of mind. It's a matter of mind. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. There is nothing called as boring. Even out of a boring lecture, you can get information. Try to get information. Don't analyze the person, how he is speaking, and what is his body language, etc. Sometimes that body language may be a hurdle, but you can gain information. So the speaker is prime. You think we believe that this is a myth. Only the speaker is responsible for what is being spoken. False. Hearing is the first step, but it doesn't mean that you understand what you hear. No. You are hearing, you are not understanding. Simply not. There is something totally two different processes. Listening is not an easy process, it's a complex process. It requires energy, effort, skills. Energy, if you didn't have a breakfast, you cannot listen. You will feel sleepy. If you didn't have a rest, you cannot listen. If you didn't rest yesterday, you cannot listen. It requires effort and it requires certain skills. कोई भी ऐरा गहरा नत्थु खैरा लिसन नहीं कर सकता है, नहीं कर सकता है. देखो एक आप रिक्शे वाले के साथ बहस हो जाती है, आपका सुनता है वो, उसके पास स्किल्स नहीं है. अगर आप भी उसका नहीं सुन रहे तो आपके पास स्किल्स नहीं. You have to listen. So first of all, empty your brains. Speaker and listener, they share a relationship. They share a relationship and a responsibility. The message sent for me. There is a very beautiful statement. I am responsible for what I am saying. See, beautiful. I am responsible for what I am saying, but I am not responsible for what you are understanding. Okay, or what you are thinking. That's out of my capacity. It's up to your capacity to take it positively and to think about what I am speaking. Simple. So a speaker and a listener, they share the responsibility. A listener may have to make up for sender's lack of ability. मैंने जैसे आपको बोला कि अभी एक कोई बोर लेक्चर हो रहा है, लेक्चरर बोर कर रहा है या बोर हो रहा है, जो भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, छोड़ दो. It's up to you. You share the responsibility to make up that. Listen. Take some information, and you can make the best out of it. Okay? So that is your responsibility, listener's responsibility. Now there is an international association called as International Listening Association, ILA. You can go for online training for that. I have done online training and I have got A+ grade in that. I have a certificate which I can reproduce. Thing is, they have their own concept of listening. They give you certain dialogues. You have to listen, you have to answer questions. A beautiful process. Okay? And they define listening as the process of receiving. You see, beautiful meaning is there. You said we all listen. Do you do this? See, receiving. I always say there are 3 R's of academics. 3 R. Receive, record, reproduce. Receive, record, and in the examination, reproduce. That can be done effectively only by a good process of listening. So receiving, constructing meaning from. Body language plays a very important role. As yesterday Dr. Deshpande said, this and this. A very good message was there. Okay. So you have to construct the meaning from. When you receive a message, it should be then it requires energy, effort and skills. Skills are required to construct the meaning from and responding to a spoken or a non-verbal message. When I say, what do I mean? I said, come here. So it's a non-verbal message. Understand it. If I am saying, and he runs away, some problem is there with me. Okay, happens. कधी सर येतात इकडे पळून जातो तिकडे क्लास केलेला नसतो हा. See, responding to a non-verbal message. Construction. Okay. Then, steps in listening process. Which are the steps in listening process? There is a hierarchy. Each step goes at a level 1, 2, 3 and 4. This hierarchy has to be understood. These are the steps in listening. You said we are listeners. Tell me, do you do this? Hearing. It is receiving the sound. First of all, the first step, receiving the sound. And that means that not everyone is receiving the same message which I am giving. No, not everyone is receiving the same. Basically, nature has made 2 organs different, ears and the vocal cords different for women and different for men. Women are better singers, see, in the world. They sing, they have a low pitch. Nature has made them like that. Men prefer certain frequencies. We as men, we prefer certain frequencies and we get irritated by certain frequencies. So receive the sound, whether you are receiving it or not. Then choose. Choosing to hear, the act of choosing to focus and give attention to the message. You choose. When I am saying, knowingly or unknowingly, your brain is choosing whether to take this message or whether not to take this message. Okay? And this choosing depends upon your skills again. It depends upon your interest, your attitude. If there is someone with a negative attitude, he will never listen to me. For example, let's say my childhood classmate comes and sits here. Okay, he's a friend of mine, but he has attitude. I am not saying that's negative. That's attitude. That is my friend's attitude. Attitude, your attitude, knowledge. If that same friend thinks that no, he is telling something new, then he tries to gain knowledge, and that knowledge, it affects the choice and how much attention you pay. Okay, you see, that's a thin line of becoming what you can say small and great. I am a product of this student of this college. Some few of my teachers are sitting here. Khade sir is there, Gadhav sir is there, Men Budore sir is there. My teachers, my mentors, they are listening to me. It's a proud moment for me. But I think they have become greater by that. It's something very great. Listening, you require nothing. Listen to the good things. Okay? And as I say, listen to double of what you speak. Believe me, I do that. When I am speaking here for 2 hours, I'll go and listen to something nice for 4 hours. I do that. So, choosing. You have to choose. Then understanding. What you choose doesn't mean that you understand. Understanding, deciding what message means to you, what that message is there to you. You have to understand that thing. Then you have to choose and you have to understand. This again requires knowledge, attitude, certain values are there. Religious values may be there, social values may be there. There your understanding differs. When I give some example, maybe some religious or my cultural background comes, and then why again and again referring something from Mahabharata, something from Ramayana, because backdrop is there. Okay, if someone else comes, but unbiasedly you have to understand. Don't judge, don't think, see the message, not the matter. Don't see the matter, see the message in that. That is very important. So understanding your knowledge, attitude, values, beliefs, self-concept influences your perception, what you receive. And the last and the foremost is responding, response. 4 types of responses are there. One is positive response, second is negative response, third is no response, fourth is novel response. Novel response, something very new, something which was not thought even by me, and you respond, sir, asa asel ka, novel. Okay, so your reaction to the message. You see, we have a system of feedback. Why do you have feedback? At the end I will tell you, please give your feedback to me. Please give how this lecture was, feedback to Sonal sir. We as a whole, then we submit the whole thing to Men Budore sir. This is the feedback of the workshop. Then he submits it to the principal, then it goes president. Why? Why we need feedback? We need feedback because that is a response. Whether that is a positive response or a neutral, negative or a novel response. We always search for a novel response. We are not interested in negative response. We are less interested in positive response, less. We are interested, less interested. But we look for a novel response. And this again depends upon 3 aspects. Usually what happens, when I respond, when I listen to something, I respond emotionally. Sir na रागवलं, तुम्ही ऐकलं, तुम्ही जे रिस्पॉन्स देता ते इमोशनली देता. इतकं मी रेग्युलर होतो तरी काय राव सर ना असं सांगितलंय, बरोबर ना? Emotional response. That is the emotional response. The second is intellectual response. Then you think, सरांनी का सांगितलं? चांगल्यासाठीच सांगितलं आपल्या. वाईट सरांना का आपलं वाईट करायचंय का? Intellectual response. Then you decide what to do. Third level, तुम्ही उद्या मी सरचा पिरियडच करणार नाही, किंवा नाही सरांनी आपल्या चांगल्यासाठी सांगितलेलं आहे, ह्याच्यानंतर मी सरचे पिरियड कधीच मिस करणार नाही. That is the positive response. You see, and that comes from 3: emotional, intellectual, intellectually positive, wisdom, wise. When you become, you go for a response. And this all starts with the basic process of listening. Okay, objectives of listening: why to listen, listening is important, why to listen, and what makes one not being able to listen, and how to listen. I will tell you in a very short span in the coming slides. Importance of listening, you see, it's the most frequent process which happens in your life. आप चाहो या ना चाहो, आपको सुनना पड़ता है, जिंदगी भर आपको सुनना पड़ता है. आज भी वही हो रहा है, सुनना पड़ रहा है. मगर ओके, वी एज एडल्ट्स वी स्पेंड 30% ऑफ वेकिंग आवर्स लिसनिंग, 30% ऑफ द वेकिंग आवर्स, 55% मधले 30% तुम्ही ऐकता. द टाइम इज स्पेंड एट ऑल लेवल्स इन कम्युनिकेशन. During a typical week is listening 32.7%. This is again a social behavioral data, international data. Speaking 25.8%, writing 22.6%, and reading 18.8% for a normal common man. Abnormality की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Okay, normality. Then there are 4 types of listening. You see, I have again broadly categorized into 4. There are many types of listening. But let me tell you, first is which we like all, appreciative listening. Appreciative, हर चीज जो सुनेंगे आप उसमें एक appreciation पाएंगे. वाह क्या बात है, ये अगर आप दिमाग में लाते हो, whatever it may be, वाह that was क्या बात है, you are a appreciative listener. 4 categories. इसमें कोई ये नहीं है कि अच्छा या बुरा है, 4 types है. आप खुद को किस कैटेगरी में पाते हो सोचो. It is used for fun at social events, enjoyment and relaxing. मुशायरा सुना, अच्छा लगा, वाह वाह कह दिया. आप एक appreciative listener है. एक अच्छी बात किसी की सुनी, उसके मुंह पे उसकी तारीफ कर दी, मुंह पे बस पीछे कहीं भी, आप उसको enjoy करते हो दिल से. That is appreciative listening. Second way is very important, emphatic listening and empathetic listening. Emphatic listening, actually the word, correct that word, it's empathetic listening. 2 types are there in that. Emphatic, energy के साथ, उत्साह के साथ सुनना, और empathetic listening, there is a difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy and empathy, try to understand. What is sympathy? What is sympathy? मेरे फ्रेंड के एक सपोज पिताजी गुजर गए, मैं जाता हूँ वहाँ, बुरा मत मान यार, होते रहता है. मेरे घर में मेरे पिताजी है, मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ बुरा मत मान, होते रहता है. That is sympathy. मैं जाके बोल रहा हूँ बुरा मत मान, मेरे पिताजी नहीं है, 2 साल पहले गुजर गए, और मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ, I know what the feelings are, don't worry, it happens. That is empathy. That is empathy. He knows what the feelings are. He knows what the feeling of losing a father are. So when you listen, are you an empathetic listener or are you a passive listener? You have to decide that. Okay, second category, it is used in interaction between people, understanding the relationship. बरेचदा होतं मैत्रिणी, तुम्ही ऐकत नाही, मित्रांमध्ये ऐकणं होत नाही, बोलत राहतो, तू माझं ऐकत नाही, तुला माझं ऐकावं लागल, आपल्याला हुशारी वाटते. बिलीव्ह मी, गुड फ्रेंडशिप, गुड रिलेशन डेव्हलप्स वेअर लिसनिंग इज ॲट द हायेस्ट लेवल. ओके, नॉट स्पीकिंग. देन अप्रिशिएट द फिलिंग्स, पुट युअर सेल्फ इन द अदर्स पोझिशन, दॅट इज एम्पॅथी. काहीतरी सांगताना त्याच्या जागेवर जाऊन ते विचार करायचं की कसं असेल जर मी ह्या जागी असलो तर काय होईल. मी नेहमी सांगतो, आमचे काय सम ऑफ आवर स्टुडंट्स दे कीप मेकिंग नॉईज and our head of the department keeps scolding, let's say. So I just go then tell, I took one girl yesterday to the head's cabin, head was not there. I said, you stand here, think you are the head. Just think, listen. And she listened. It was such a chaos there. Sir, फारच गोंधळ होतो. I वाटतं तुम्हाला हेडला कसं होत असेल जर हेड काम करत असतील इथं बसून काहीतरी महत्त्वाचं काम करत राहतात, ते कसं वाटत असेल. Putting yourself in that situation, then you realize that is a practice. You practice that, you will learn that. Put yourself in other place position, and that comes with listening. Deliberative listening. Deliberative. फोन आला पाहिजे असेल नसेल, तुम्ही जेव्हा उचलला, you are deliberated into listening. You start listening. हा बोल, काय आहे काय नाही. Same thing happens. जुन्या काळी ट्रंक बुकिंग किंवा ते what was that? Telegram messages were there. Each telegram message was based upon sounds like this. Like this means एक कोडचा मेसेज होता. Yes, this person will come tomorrow. असं त्याचं डिकोड करायचं. Deliberately ऐकावं लागत. Deliberative listening and critical listening. क्रिटिकल एखादा आपण प्रोग्राम ऐकला आणि त्याचा लेख आपल्याला तयार करायचा आहे. यू लिसन इट व्हेरी क्रिटिकली, यू लिसन in a fashion where you have to report. Okay, then which type of listening are you doing right now? Think about it. Which category you are. Listening is important in most of the occupations. While listening, you should do these things. If you want to become a good listener, I am giving you some tips. Withhold judgment. Don't judge anything, good or bad. We will decide in the end. At the end of the whole session, we will decide whether that thing presentation was good or bad. Withhold your judgment. When you are listening to a lecture, withhold judgment. Lecture चांगलं होईल, बोर होईल, महत्वाचं आहे, नाही आहे, नंतर जे काही दिलं जातं ते घ्या. Empty your brains, take it inside, without judgment, be opportunistic. Every teacher, every speaker, everything which comes to your ear gives you opportunity of something new. Be opportunistic to seize that. Did you get something new today in the class? Do you think? I talked on two topics, observation and I am talking on listening. Did you get something new? That is what being opportunistic is. Yesterday I saw that Sondge sir took more notes than most of the students. In yesterday's lecture, Sondge sir took more notes than the students. Sondge sir was more opportunistic. He has a chit of yesterday's lecture which has more information than any of the students sitting here. I can give you a challenge. You are not opportunistic here. Take down, note down. That is being opportunistic. Look for the main and supporting points. This will help you in your academic. Take notes and in your brain repeat what you are saying. Keep repeating. That is called as paraphrasing. I will come to that. Okay? When you are evaluating listening, you see the speaker's credentials. This is very important. Speaker, who is speaking, why he is speaking, whether he is a person of caliber or not, whether he should listen or not. जैसा मैंने कहा, कोई ऐरा गैरा आके बोल रहा है, listening पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं किसी की सुन ही नहीं रहा हूँ, मेरी बात सुनो. Okay, see the credentials. Now you may ask, सर फिर observation पे आपने क्यों बोला? Listening का तो आपने बता दिया, आपने ऐसा किया है. Listening पे मैंने एक किताब भी लिखा है तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ. फिर observation, मेरा सब्जेक्ट है माइक्रोबायोलॉजी. हम वो देखते हैं जो दिखता नहीं है. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स दिखते नहीं हैं. तो पूरी जिंदगी पीएचडी मैंने वो चीजों को देखने में गुजारी है जो दिखते नहीं हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन में मेरी पीएचडी है तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ. स्पीकर्स क्रेडेंशियल्स. ओके, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू. दैट्स व्हाई अ स्पीकर इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. दिस इज दैट एंड देन यू बिकम प्रिपेयर्ड दैट यस वी शुड लिसन टू हिम. See his credentials and decide whether you want to listen or not. Then the most important type of listening, as I was saying, is empathetic listening. If you can become an empathetic listener in your life, you can be a good son, you can be a good brother, you can be a good daughter, you can be a good sister, you can be a good student, you can be a good mother, father in the future, you can be good uncle and aunts, you can be good citizens of India. If you can become an empathetic listener. What is empathetic listening? It is the greatest need of all. What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए? मला कोणी समजूनच घेत नाही, आहे का नाही? The biggest need of all is to be understood by others. You need to be understood by others. That is the biggest need of all. Empathetic listening means reflecting what a person feels. You reflect your feelings. Then when empathetically listening, you see we do all this. I will tell you, it is a research. History of the world says that women, all the girls will know, understand what I am saying. Women, they always are complaining. Men, they always are trying to find a solution. This is the problem. You see, I will tell you, most of the time it happens. I am a married man, my wife keeps complaining, असं झालं तसं झालं, ते शेजाऱ्याने असं केलं तर ते काम करणे बाई आली नाही, आज तसे आली नाही. आपण निघतो, आली नाही, कशी आली नाही, चला बघा. ते शेजारचा असा करतो, निघाले भांडायला, येते, शी सेज नो नो नो, मला तसं नाही म्हणायचं होतं. See, it's a psychological thing that women, they just want to be listened, nothing else. Just if you can become good listeners, You will become best friends and best position, which I say. You can become a best servant in your industry. You can become a best boss in your organization. Boss. The boss is the one who has to listen and take decisions. Listening. My friend is there in a company. I have spent 23 years here in DSM, and 23 years back he joined a company. His salary is 1.5 lakhs per month. My salary is 40,000 plus something per month. I tell him, what is your job? I say, I have to speak, I have to take lectures, practicals. He says, nothing. I have to manage the egos of 5 of my subordinates. Only ego management. He is being paid 1.5 lakhs for listening to them and managing their egos. Understanding them, solving. I say, tu aisa karo, finish. See if you want to become a good boss in the hierarchy, you have to develop listening skills. What do you want to do? Take decisions. That's totally different. But you have to listen first. Empathetic listening is not, see, I am emphasizing, not listening to give advice. आपण काही ऐकलं की लगेच आपण ॲडवाइस देतो. Don't give advice. Don't counsel. Don't replay what the act is there. Don't contradict. Discussion करू नका. Don't solve. Don't fix. Don't change. Don't judge. Don't agree. Don't disagree. Try to understand. Empathetic listening. Don't question. Don't analyze. Just listen. And you have to just, when you can listen, you will become the most powerful person amongst your group. Here are a few tips for empathetic listening. Listen to empathetically when सामने वाले का emotion is very high. Listen empathetically when the other person feels that he is not understood. जेव्हा वाटतं की मला कोणी समजूनच घेत नाही, त्याच्यासाठी ते तुमच्या समोर बोलतंय. सगळं बंद करा, फक्त ऐकून घ्या. से यस, हां ओके, मला कळतंय, मी समजू शकतो, असले शब्द वापरा. ओके, that is empathetic listening. When you do not understand the other person, empathetic listening is needed. And when the trust is low in relationships, भरोसा जेव्हा कमी होते, मग त्याला वाटतं की माझं कोणी ऐकतच नाही. He starts, that depression starts. You can lend your ears to remove the depression. Be a good listener. Okay? And as I said, you can use such words. मला कळतंय, yes, I can understand. Don't say, तू असं करू नको, तू असं कर, तसं कर. This is not listening. Okay? Be a good listener. Now, what are the barriers? You have to understand the barriers to effective listening. If you understand the barriers, you can overcome those barriers. There are meanings and double meanings in English and every language which you have to understand. Get it cleared in your mind in the dictionary. Today, dictionary is a portable commodity. You can have it in your mobiles. Rather than the ringtones, go for dictionaries in your mobiles. That will help you a lot. Remove your ego. Don't invest your egos in your disagreements. जब हम किसी को ना बोलते हैं तो आपका ईगो आ रहा है क्या उसमें सोचो. आपका ईगो बेस्ड अगर ना है तो आप कभी बड़े नहीं बन सकते हो. You can never become big if you are saying no with the big ego. Remove your ego. Say no because it will benefit that person. When you say no to a particular person, it should be for the benefit of that person, the family, the relation and the society. Okay, as I said, there is nothing called as being bored. मैंने जो कहा है, न्यूजीलैंड के एक मेयर का मैं स्टेटमेंट आपको देता हूँ जिसने उसने यूथ के, न्यूजीलैंड के यूथ के लिए दिया. Bored, what you are saying, you are getting bored. There is nothing called as getting bored. It's a state of mind, he says. And he says, अगर आप बोर हो रहे हैं तो आपके एंटरटेनमेंट का ठेका आपके माँ बाप ने, आपके टीचर्स ने, आपके नेबर्स ने और आपके सोसाइटी ने नहीं लिया. On the contrary, you have the responsibility to maintain that energy. You are the youths of the society. आप में कितनी एनर्जी है कि आप बिना बोर हुए आप सोसाइटी का भला करो. तो फिर क्या करना है? बोर हो रहा है, हाथ में झाड़ू लो, माँ की मदद करो, घर झाड़ के निकालो. He says, अगर बोर हो रहा है इसके बाद याद रखो, हाथ में झाड़ू लो, आई घर झाडून देते. आई सांगेल काही गरज नाही, मी झाडलेलं आहे, शेजारचं घर झाडून द्या. Believe me, now you see, believe me, झाड़ के निकालो, रिलेशन अच्छे हो जाएंगे. प्यार मोहब्बत बढ़ेगा और आपको एक हैप्पीनेस फील होगा. I am not telling you. See, Sachin Tendulkar gave a statement yesterday. I get happiness by washing my car. He said, car wash kartana mala anand bhetto. He never gets bored. He's involved. Okay, so remove your ego. Remove your ego. Don't keep your head in the past. I'll come to these slides. One by one. First is meanings and double meanings. In English, Oxford Dictionary, 500 words are there which have 23 different meanings. 2 sentences I will give you. One is since, you can see there. Since there is no time like the present, he thought it was time to present the present. प्रेझेंटचे 3 मिनिंग आहेत. प्रेझेंट म्हणजे आताची वेळ, प्रेझेंट म्हणजे गिफ्ट झालं, आणि प्रेझेंट म्हणजे देणं. प्रेझेंट देणं. 3. नाउ इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट, कौन सा सिचुएशन में कौन सा है, अगर आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं तो आपको कुछ समझेगा नहीं. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वाज आवर टॉपिक, बैरियर्स टू लिसनिंग. यू क्लियर द बैरियर्स, आपको ये क्लियर करना है. दूसरा है, द सोल्जर डिसाइडेड टू डेजर्ट हिज डेजर्ट इन द डेजर्ट. अब जिसको इंग्लिश मालूम है उसको मालूम है, डेजर्ट वाळवंट. डेजर्ट एक फूड है जो हम खाना खाने के बाद आखिरी में स्वीट डिश खाते हैं, उसको डेजर्ट बोला जाता है. डेजर्ट अँड डेझर्ट सोडून दे, डेझर्ट करणे, त्याला डेझर्ट करून टाकलं, सोडून दिलं. सो द सोल्जर डिसाइडेड टू डेझर्ट म्हणजे खाद्य पदार्थ, हिज डेझर्ट खाद्यपदार्थ सोडून देणं इन द डेझर्ट. Okay, so you see, this will be a barrier to hurdle. You see what the President of America is saying? Run for your lives. उसका interpret वो speaker क्या कह रहा है? He means jogging is good for your health. Meaning and double meaning. ये बोल रहा है run for your lives. उसका मतलब ये निकाल रहा है, गलत नहीं है, run for your lives. जान बचाने के लिए भागो. ये बोल रहा है jogging is good for your health. Interpretation. Okay. So meanings and double meanings are there. Egoism, I talked about ego. Don't have a big ego. Don't invest your ego in your disagreements. This is the most important thing. Thinking of your own, ignoring others' ideas, I, me, myself is the worst thing which you can do. It's the worst possible thing which you can do. I, me, myself. Always. I'll tell you one small. I have a friend who was so egoistic that whenever he used to go somewhere, conference, etc., he used to speak, I did like this, I did like, etc., etc., etc. Then I said him one day, my friend, यार क्या लगाया तू, हमेशा अपनी बात करता है, कभी ये सोचा है कि मुझे क्या लगता है? Then he said, okay. He took out some photos of the conference, he showed it to me. In the photograph, he was giving the seminar, and he said, now what do you think of this photo of mine? What do you? मला दिलं बरं. But again, think about this photo of me. म्हणजे परत काय झालं, त्याचाच विषय बोलायचा. So if you are most constantly talking about yourself, then you are egoistic. So it will not solve the problem. Are you upgradable? Are you upgradable? Is your head in the past? If your head in the past, you are not upgradable. Don't visit me in my past, I don't live there. हमेशा तू असं केलं तसं केलं काय केलं, अरे सोडून दिलं, मी तिथं राहत नाही आता, माझं नवीन घर आहे, आत्ताचं घर, मागच्या घरात. डोंट कम अँड विजिट मी इन द पास्ट. इफ यू आर इन द पास्ट, देन यू विल नेव्हर लर्न. यू सी, तुम्ही स्वतःचे नोट्स काढणं आवडतं का सरांनी दिलेले नोट्स काढणं आवडतं तुम्हाला? असं फक्त सांगताय तुम्ही नाही. जर असं असलं असतं तर पेन्शन पॉइंट कधीच पॉप्युलर झाला नसता, तुम्हाला सांगतो मी. पेंशन पॉइंट का एक पैसा नहीं चलता था. आपको सेकंड हैंडेड पसंद आता है, लिसनिंग हमको पसंद नहीं है. इधर नोट्स दिया, रेडीमेड नोट्स पाहिजे. डोंट डू दैट. इफ गिवन ऑप्शन बिटवीन फोटोकॉपीड नोट्स अँड लिसन माय लेक्चर, प्रिपेअर युअर ओन, किंवा सर हे सगळं प्रिंट करून देऊन टाका, कोणतं आवडेल? सेकंड हँडेड. हेच आवडेल. बनवा स्वतःचं, माझ्यापेक्षा चांगलं तयार करू शकाल तुम्ही. No, but we like second-handedness. Do you like off periods more than extra periods? Yes, we all like off periods. Okay, why? We don't like to listen. We don't like to listen. Rather than go to your favorite teacher, say, sir, this is extra, this is off period, please come and take a lecture. No, sir, will, at least from DSM, nobody will say no. Everybody is on their feet to give some lectures. Okay. What percentage of lecture listen can you reproduce? Receive, record and reproduce. कितना परसेंटेज? मैंने आज आपको हजारों पॉइंट्स बोले, एक हफ्ते बाद मिलते हैं, क्या क्या बोला है सुनते हैं आपसे. See, don't keep your head in the past. Don't make subconscious assumptions. Subconscious assumptions means subconscious. Songe sir, 10 minutes. Can I proceed? 4 o'clock. My time is over. I understand that. So I'll take 10 more minutes. Subconscious assumptions means, you see, deciding what already is the picture. I will tell you a small incident of my school. My teacher one day described a beautiful flower. Such a beautiful flower, he said. He said about health benefits and such a wonderful explanation, and the bell rang. He decided that point. He decided that he will explain till the bell rings. He explained it so beautifully, the bell rang, and he said, I will show that flower tomorrow. Next day we were very curious. We were very enthusiastic. We wanted to see that flower. He bought a bag, the polythene cover, he bought it, kept it like this. And he started explaining. And there are health benefits, etc., etc. We were very eager. Then he put his hand inside. He took out the flower. गोभी का फूल. गोभी का फूल था. आपको जैसा हुआ हम सबको ऐसा ही हुआ है. काय गोभी का. One of my friends, he said, "अरे वाह," he said, "अरे वाह." Why that thing happened? Why he said वाह? Because he said, "सर मी कधी विचारच केला नाही की गोभीच्या फुलामध्ये इतके क्वालिटीज आहेत." Try to understand. His brain was not having subconscious assumption. He was always thinking playfully, taking, and when that cauliflower came in the picture, he could relate everything to that and said, "Wow." Not like me, I said, "I said gobi ka food." I said like that. I have subconscious assumption. Okay. So if your head is like a box, you can never think out of the box. So you have to think out of the box. Don't let people make you angry. Anger, you see what the matchstick is saying. I can burn the whole world. But what happens in the end? That itself gets burnt. Okay. So don't let people make you angry. It's something which should be in your power. Anger should be your power, not your weakness. Anger, make something good out of your anger. Don't let the anger destroy your own self. You cannot listen. No, this is one thing which we cannot control. If somebody is there with a hoarse voice, किसी का आवाज अच्छा नहीं है, क्रैकल हो रहा है, सर्दी हो रही है, बारिश आवाज आ रहा है, तो हम सुन नहीं पाएंगे. तो इसमें एक सिचुएशन है जिसको हम कहते हैं ट्यूनिंग ऑफ एंड ट्यूनिंग ऑन. You can use your brains to tune in and tune out and only take the important information from that person who is not having a good voice. So don't let voice be a hurdle. Okay? Irritating situations or voice. आता बाजू एखादा कारखाना असेल, खूप मोठा आवाज करत असेल तर आपल्याला काहीच ऐकू येणार नाही. तर ह्याच्यात तुम्ही बेटर लिसनर आहात का नाही, दिस इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. Rather than tune in to the speaker, tune out to the noise. That you can do by practice. You can do that. Okay? Dialogue hurdles. Dialogue hurdles are there. You see the caveman. What the caveman are saying? Caveman, they say, since I have learned to talk, my wife doesn't understand me. Okay? He has learned some new language. I will tell you incidents. Is there anybody who speaks Telugu here? Telugu? Understands Telugu? Anybody? No. I will tell you one word. In Telugu, there is a word called as Yemadi. Means what is that? Yemadi. Okay. Yemadi. Yem kawali is काय पाहिजे? Yemadi means what is that? What is that? हाँ, काय येते? म्हणजे काय? Yemadi म्हणजे काय? म्हणजे काय? So one friend of mine, actually I don't know how many of you know Santapure sir, mathematics. It's an incident in his life. He narrated this to me. He went to Andhra and he said that he was inquiring some directions. And there was an old lady in the house. He asked her the direction. She said, Yemadi. So he thought he was being called inside. He went inside. And that lady shouted, shrieked, chor, 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 koi to aa gaya, bhago, maro, sir ko hakal diya. What is this? Dialogue hurdle. Dialogue hurdle. Understand the situation, understand, look beyond your interpretation of what you have heard and try to know the person's feelings. मॅप आहे हातात, डायरेक्शन विचारतंय, मधात आल्यावर एवढं धिंगाणा करायची गरज नाही. त्या बाईनं, she was not intellectual, she was not intelligent, she made a hue and cry. Okay, meanings, double meanings, dialogue orders, it creates dialogue orders. Physiological barriers may be there. जसं काना आपल्याला ऐकूच येत नसेल तर that is one barrier. One, hearing problems, poor listening deficiencies may be there. That is, we cannot do anything. This is a barrier. Rapid thoughts. Rapid thoughts is दिमाग में बहुत कुछ आ रहा है, वो भी आपको लिसन होने नहीं देगा. Don't let rapid thoughts come. Physical distractions are there. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे कोई सलमान खान का बड़ा पोस्टर लगा दिया तो आप 10 बार उसको देखेंगे, मुझे नहीं देखेंगे, सुनेंगे. दिस इज अ फिजिकल डिस्ट्रैक्शन विच डोंट अलाउ इट टू हैपन. अगर यहाँ भी करंट गया है, थोड़ा अनईजी हो रहा है, स्टफी रूम, दैट थिंग हैपेंस. मैसेज ओवरलोड, हैंग हो जाता है ब्रेन, सुन सुन के काहीच ऐका वाटत नाही. डोंट लेट दॅट हॅपन. ओके. देन प्री ऑक्युपेशन. आता तुम्हाला कुठं जायचंय लगेच 4 वाजता आणि 4 वाजून गेलेले शिवा सर अजून बडबड करतायत, यांचं संपत नाहीये, तुम्ही माझं काहीच ऐकणार नाही. दॅट इज प्री ऑक्युपेशन. इफ युअर माइंड इज प्री ऑक्युपाइड यू विल नेव्हर लिसन. Egocentrism, I talked about ego. Cultural differences, again doesn't let you listen. You see this sign. It's an example. In USA and UK it means okay, okay. In Japan it means money, money. In Russia it means zero. Don't do this in Brazil. It's an insult. असं इन्सल्ट आहे, असं केलं की इन्सल्ट होते ब्राझीलमध्ये. ओके. आणि आपण कसं आहे, जोडा ना हाणाला ब्राझीलमध्ये करू नका. ओके. सो कल्चरल डिफरन्सेस क्रिएट बॅरियर्स इन लिसनिंग. यू विल नेवर लिसन. जर ब्राझीलमध्ये, आई एम ए ब्राझिलियन एंड यू आर डूइंग, तुम्हारा देश यार, मैं सुनूंगा ही नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. ओके, दैट इज द कल्चरल डिफरेंस. Gender differences, according to International Listening Association Vice President Laura Janusic, she is the Vice President. She says that it's a research, it's a biological scientific research. Women are better listeners than men. Their ears are. It's not. I am not biased towards anything. I am also from your party. But we men, as men, we don't listen. We are not good listeners. We have to train ourselves. Women, they naturally they are good listeners. They listen. ते ऐकतात. बघा आईला बघा, आई बघा, आईनं आयुष्य ऐकण्यात घातलेलं आहे. वडील ऐकत नाहीत आईचं कधीच, आहे का नाही. तुम्ही बघा, विमेन आर बेटर लिसनर्स देन मॅन. वी कॅन बिकम बेटर लिसनर्स बाय ट्रेनिंग अँड दॅट्स व्हॉट आय एम ट्राइंग टू डू. हाऊ टू बी अ गुड लिसनर? Everything which I said, it has been summarized here. Don't interrupt, don't jump to conclusion, concentrate, make space in your mind, restrain your thoughts, etc., etc. You can become a good listener. Okay. Then there are some aspects which I will skip because I have repeated these things again. I intend to maintain time, so just I will go a bit fast in that. Whatever is needed, I will give a short handout to Songe sir tomorrow. We can just photocopy it. 2 pages I have regarding the summary. I will give it to Songe sir. So questioning, ask sincere questions. उगी विचारायचं म्हणून विचारू नका. Genuine question, जे प्रश्न येतो, knowing the question is knowing half of the answer. Try to understand. You don't know the other half. Knowing the question is knowing half of the answer. You don't know the other half. Counterfeit questions, उगी विचारायचं म्हणून हुशारी दाखवायला विचारू नका. Okay, questioning. Paraphrasing. Paraphrasing the content, intent and feeling. Paraphrase it. सांगितलेलं विचार करायचं, सांगायचं परत, हो असं का, हां बरोबर आहे सर, मलाही असंच एक अनुभव आलेला आहे, म्हणजे सहमत होऊन त्या संदर्भात परत तेच गोष्ट वेगळ्या अँगलनं सांगायचं. दॅट इज पॅराफ्रेझिंग. दॅट विल मेक यू अ गुड लिसनर. ऍक्टिव्ह लिसनिंग, डिझायर टू बी अदर ओरिएंटेड. Be other oriented. It's not about I, me, myself. It's not about you. It's about the person who is speaking. Listen to him in his speed. Desire to imagine the experience of others. Don't be a critic. निंदक होऊ नका. Be a listener. आम्ही नेहमी निंदक राहतो, असंच झालं तसंच झालं. See, don't have negative thoughts. Be an active listener. This is how you can be active. Body language. Yesterday you heard a lot about it. There is a body language about listening also. I see, I am very happy. If you think I am so energetic, I am energetic because I see there are active listeners here. If there were few dull listeners, my energy would have subdued down. but I am still after 1.5 2 hours I am feeling energetic because I am having. That is your body language is telling me something. Sitting forward, eye to eye contact, nodding head, everything gives you a posture for better listener. Open-ended questions, dead-ended questions विचारू नका. Open-ended म्हणजे मग काय झालं? Dead end आहे. This is a dead-end question. Listening. काय listening? काय झालं मग? नंतर काय होईल? This is open-ended question. मग काय झालं? मग काय झालं? Dead end. सर मग काय होणार? This is open-ended question. Let the question explore something, not bring something to a halt. Okay? So what happened after that? Who was there? What did they do? Rather than saying, what did they do? What will they do? Don't say what will they do. Say what did they do, like that. Explore the possibilities. Repeat the content in your brains. जितना सुना उसको फिर से ब्रेन में रिपीट करो. आप कर सकते हैं तो आप एक अच्छे लिसनर बनोगे. Acknowledge the feelings. Very important. जेव्हा कधी कुणी काय बोलतंय त्याला एक्नॉलेज आपल्याला कधीच नाही. किती लोकांनी सोंडगेकरांना सकाळी विश केला सांगा बरं. खडकाळ सरांना किती लोकांनी विश केला? कधीच विश करत नाही ना. कशामुळे करायचं ते? यस, दॅट्स इट. कशाला करायचं ते? फक्त ह्याच्यासाठी करायचं की ते आपले सर आहेत. किती लोकांनी, मुली आपल्या बाबांना हसतात, मुली आपल्या आईंना हसते, आई समोर हसतात. मुलं डॅड सामने आहे तो स्माइल देते क्या? Why? Acknowledge the feelings. As a father, I will tell you, I feel happy when my son smiles at me when he's small. But as he grows up, he'll put his head down and go. Why? Girls will never do like that. बाबा आले समोर हसतील, बाबांनाही चांगलं वाटतं, त्याच्यामुळे मुली लाडक्या बनतात. तुम्हाला लाडकं बनायचं, तुम्ही बाबांना हसा. मी गॅरंटी देतो, फार कठीण काम आहे. बाबांना हसायला सुरुवात, स्माइल द्या. कसे काय बाबा विचारा. आपण इमॅजिनही करू शकत नाही. आठवड्यातून एकदा विचारा, काय बाबा मी काय तुमच्या कामाला येऊ शकतो का? काय काम करू का? Acknowledge the feeling. You see, don't you think it's a serious matter and we all are taking it as a fun? Because we never imagine that. We never do that. We never acknowledge the feeling. And all of you are saying that we were good listeners. We are good listeners. ऐसा बोला आपने सब. मैं नहीं मानता हूं. आप अच्छे लिसनर नहीं हैं. इसके बाद बनो. Acknowledge the feelings. Okay? Don't judge. Like biting your tongue, yawning in a lecture, yawning. That is judging. Don't do that. Okay? Now this is the most important for all the students. Respond. Nobody responds. At the end of the session, if I say any questions, I am sure nobody will have any questions. कुणीच नाही काहीच नाही. बरं, चांगलं झालं. No questions. Why there are no questions? There should be questions at the end of every lecture. Being quiet delivers, whole effort goes down the drain. Teacher, when he teaches, he expects questions from you. Okay? We are trained to answer questions for you so that your knowledge, your skills will develop and human resources can be developed. That should be done. That comes only by responding, not keeping quiet. Okay? There are various benefits of listening. You will have strong memory, you will have wide knowledge base, you will have healthier relationships, you will have enhanced efficiency, you will have lesser misunderstandings, you will have good confidence, self-confidence, strong dialogues. If I tell you to come and speak over here, you will say no. Why can't you have a dialogue? Why can't there be a dialogue? Because you don't have the capacity to listen. It starts with listening. Superior health, you see that box over there. It has been proved that good listeners have low BP, normal sugar, nothing. And those who are not good listeners will have high BP, will have huge lot of diseases in their life. Listen. Good music gives us pleasure. Good music. Why? Because it calms down your emotions. It gives you good health. So there will be more wow moments in your life if you become a good listener. जिंदगी में आपके वाह क्या बात है, ये अगर ऐसी हर पल जिंदगी चलती रही, वाह क्या बात है, वो कब होगा? जब आप एक अच्छा सुनना शुरू करोगे. Okay, so that is what. So this is the funda of everyone. Should I still listen to you when you never listen to me? When you think like that, think everybody around you is thinking the same. Okay, everybody is thinking the same. Change the scenario by listening. You never go to break. आप कभी बड़े नहीं बनते हैं, कितना भी बड़ा हो जाऊं मैं. एक इमेजिन करो, मैं कल चल के पंत प्रधान भी बन गया, तो मैं DSM का स्टूडेंट रहूंगा और मुझे यहां आकर मेरे टीचरों का मुझे सुनना ही पड़ेगा, जिसमें मुझे खुशी रहेगी। यू नेवर ग्रो टू बिग फॉर द नीड टू हैव आवर फीलिंग्स नोन एंड अंडरस्टूड। यू नेवर ग्रो, बड़ा जैसा आदमी होता है वैसा सुनता कम है, उल्टा रहना चाहिए। बड़ा वो होता है जो सबसे ज्यादा सुनता है, राइट? एंड द फेलियर टू बी अंडरस्टूड इज वेरी पेनफुल. If somebody doesn't understand you, it gives us a pain. So be a listener. Have sympathetic ears. Okay? Now, this is the end of my lecture. 2 slides are there. At the end of the lecture, we have an attitude which I want to convey. इतनी सारी बात बोली, आप बोलेंगे सर आपने बिल्कुल सही बोला है, लोग सुनते ही नहीं, क्या बात सही है, आप कोई सुन, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा कोई सुन नहीं रहा है, उसकी नहीं, मैं आपकी बात कर, मैं यहाँ बैठे हर एक इंसान की, इंक्लूडिंग मी, मुझे ये सोचना नहीं है कि मेरा कौन सुनता है कौन नहीं सुनता है, मुझे ये सुनना है कि मैं किसी का सुन रहा हूं या नहीं रहा हूं. आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ लिसनर, दॅट शुड बी युअर प्लेज. डोंट थिंक जर केव्हा सांगितलं काय लोक खोटं बोलतात, हो खरंच खोटं बोलतात, मी हे विचार करता की मी खोटं बोलायला की नाही, कोणी विचार करत नाही. वी ऑलवेज थिंक इट इज अप्लाइड टू समवन एल्स. आय वॉन्ट यू टू चेंज दॅट. I want you to change. The truth is, this presentation here is for every individual of you sitting here. It's not for someone else. It's for me also. Me also. I have been practicing listening, and it gives very much pleasure in the life. I will tell you. Maybe some people will say he's a fool. He's not reacting. But I respond with my own senses. I judge with my own senses. If somebody tells me a donkey, I don't respond. I listen, laugh, leave him. If I respond, then I am giving him the authority to become what he wants me to become. Okay, I just listen and I don't react. I just respond, smile. A simple smile is sufficient to make him a fool out of what he has said. सिर्फ एक हंस दो, किसी ने आपको गधा कहा तो आपकी एक छोटी स्माइल उसको गधा बना देगी. ओके, अगर आप रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे मला सांग तो झाला तू, okay, so it's every one of you. These are 2 of my kids. They are present even in the background of my book which I have written. I want my kids, you all here are just like my kids, everyone, with due respects to my teachers, out of the bracket, students, you are like my kids. I want you to listen, have this pledge. I promise to make active effective listening lifetime happy. हमने प्रतिज्ञा ली है, स्कूल में ली है, भारत माझा देश है, उसके लाइंस पे मैंने ये बनाया है. तो एक बार कोरस में हो जाए ये प्लेज, स्टूडेंट्स ओनली, कोरस में हो जाए. वन मोर टाइम. Very good. Having said that, I hope you will be, these are the words of a true gentleman and gentlewoman. So you will believe that throughout your life. Okay? I would like to end with what Bachchan gave on Facebook 2 days back. 2 days back. Very beautiful लोग कुछ सुनते. This is on the basis of Delhi rape incidents. On the basis of Delhi rape incidents, he decided this. He says, कुछ लोग जो बोलते हैं वो सुनते नहीं, कुछ लोग जो सुनते हैं वो बोलते नहीं, अक्सर बोल के भी कुछ लोग बोलते नहीं, सुन के भी अक्सर कुछ लोग सुन पाते नहीं. बोलने वाले यदि कभी कुछ सुन सके और सुनने वाले कभी कुछ बोल उठे तो सुन बैठी आत्माएं भी बोल उठे. It all starts with listening. Okay? The credentials, why I am speaking so much. This is my book which I have written on listening. And those who want to avail it can avail it. It's online. It's not in any store. There's a discounted version. If you contact me for 200 rupees, you can get it. But this is the book which is there on listening. And thank you for your ears and thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.